Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw an ant. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. So first let's draw a circle. Let's draw another small circle and the stomach part. Now let's draw the legs. Now I'm gonna draw a leaf. Now I'm gonna draw the eyes and the mouth. Now let's draw Anthony. Now using a black marker or a black pen, let's draw the outline. Now erase the pencil traces and start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.